Talo for all. It is day 3 of the ICTMD conference that I'm here for in Wellington. Ooh, the weather. It's feeling nice and crisp. Making my way downtown, walking away. My earrings are struggling. I might have to take them off and put them back on when I get into the venue. The lady in that boat said to those guys in that boat, wait there. Get it, girls. All right, there's a presentation at 10 a.m. around ASB Polyfest. So as a former performer, I would like to check it out. I think I'm on the wrong floor. Let's try again.
10,000 individual participants and is a significant site for Pacific school cultural groups through sound.
It is now morning tea. Oh my gosh. Quiche, pies, sticky date. Got my hopes up, I thought it was chocolate. $11:30, a paper on Pacific Island women in Southern California reggae. And then at 12 o'clock, Waiata, some Māori song and ancestors. And then 12:30, sound transformation and taonga puoro. So soundscapes, Māori.
4th, 2024, a few hours before.
1 o'clock and I've sat through 4 presentations now.
I will say when everyone...
It's time to head to the hotel. Helen's Hood.